So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come on and show you guys a couple concepts that I came up with um from some items that I had in my stockpile from last year. But I wanted to show you some of the stuff that I got from Hobby Lobby real fast. I've just posted a video showing that they had their mesh and their ribbon and stuff marked down. So I was going to show you some of the stuff that I got. So I ended up going and getting, I realized when I was going through my stockpile that I don't really have a whole lot of men's ribbon, like ribbon that I can actually use for men. A lot of my ribbon had flowers and different stuff on it, and I wanted some stuff that had like designs on it. So I did end up going and getting some black mesh because I don't have any black mesh. I got some of this blue mesh, and their mesh is 40% off until tomorrow. So I ended up getting 3 different colors. I got this dark blue, that light blue, and the black. And then this ribbon here, I got some black ribbon as well. I got the 1.5 inch as well as this is 7/8 of an inch. Both of these are, I think both of them are wired ribbon, just to have, because I wasn't sure if I'm gonna need to use some black ribbon in, these concepts. I got this right here. This is this was $1.24. It was a 2.5 inch. It's not wired ribbon. But I got it because it was as you can see, $1.24. I got this ribbon right here. It wasn't on sale. It was 40% off. It wasn't on clearance, I should say. It was 40% off. So I got this because I thought it's like a denim and khaki color, and I thought that would be good to go with something. And then I got this one. This one was on clearance for 99 cents, blue and white striped. So those were the ones that I got. Oh, and I did get this burlap. I think I had said in the video that this was mesh, but it's not. It's burlap. So I went ahead and got this burlap because I was like, maybe I can use this for something. It was $2.49. So that was some of the stuff that I ended up getting from Hobby Lobby. So let me show you the concepts that I actually just completed. These are some of the shirts that I had left over from last year. I told you guys that I had gotten, I think I got these shirts for my husband or my son or somebody, probably my son, and he didn't want them, so I ended up I sold a few of them because I had bought them several shirts, and they didn't really either want them or couldn't fit them, and so I sold some of them, but I ended up having these 2 left. So these are the ones that I'm using this time. So I think they turned out really, really nice. I used 2 of these buckets, of course, from the Dollar Tree. These shirts came from Temu. And then the necklaces, of course, came from Temu as well. I put those up there. Y'all know where we got the watches from. I put watches in both of these. I had some polo socks left over from last year. These are some of the sunglasses I got a few days ago. And here's some Stetson cologne that I had gotten on clearance. This again is a watch set with the sunglasses, the polo socks, and some cologne that I had got. This the Black Point. I think I got that cologne from Roses or somewhere. But anyway, I think these turned out really, really, really nice, especially with the sunglasses. I think y'all, sunglasses just give me life. When I put it in a concept, it just gives me life. So I love the way these turned out. I'm going to get ready to tie these up, put a bow on them, and get ready to set them to the side. I think they turned out really, really nice. So let me show you. I showed you guys on my live the other day some of the watch concepts that I had. So I'm gonna show you the completed ones, and I'm getting ready to bag or getting ready to bow them. I've already bagged them and put the and shrink wrapped them, but let me show you what they look like. Okay, so here are the watch concepts that I was working on the other day. I showed these to you in a live, and I went ahead and did 6 of them. I'm getting ready to put the bows on. As you can see, I put the bows on 2 of them. That's why I went and got that mesh so that I could use some mesh in some of the bows just to kind of give it a little extra something. So I think they turned out really, really nice. Just those 2 items, you guys, on a tray, just really does the job. So I'm getting ready to finish up and put bows on the rest of them. I did 6. I've got to get some more cologne, so that I think I'm going to do about 10 of these. And then, that'll be it. And then use the rest of the watches in some more, different concepts. But anyway, I just wanted to come on and show you guys how these looked shrink wrap. And like, I'll do a short, showing you what they all look like once I put the bows and everything on them. But I think they turned out really, really nice. Really, really nice concepts. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.